hammered the attic window as I stared at the old typewriter I'd found at the estate sale. Its keys gleamed, untouched for decades. Then, without warning, the carriage jerked and the keys clattered, spelling out, "Stop reading." My breath caught as the words changed. Too late. I backed away, but the typewriter continued, letters hammering faster, forming my name. The lights flickered. The keys pounded out a final line. "You're next." The typewriter fell silent. Across the room, my reflection in the dusty mirror smiled, though I hadn't moved a muscle.